we are with Mr. Vishwanath Basa and family, and they are one of the new customers of Dreams family. So let's find out their experience. Hello sir, hello ma'am.
Hi.
When did you book your flat?
Today.
Today.
Yeah.
Okay. And how would you like to describe your experience of booking the flat with us?
Yeah, it was very good experience and excellent service provided by the customer, the executive and the manager by Dreams, and it's overall it's a great experience, and they explain very well in terms of the formality and the rules and regulations, and that's a great.
Okay. And how did you get to know about Dreams?
Yeah, I came through one of my colleague. He is my friend, in fact, and he booked a flat in the Hebal. Okay, and his name is Mr. Vinit Kumar.
Okay. So you got to know it through your colleague. Okay. And are you satisfied with the customer service and the entire procedure that's going on?
Yeah, it's very good. Okay, it's a great experience, and I'm very much satisfied about the.
Okay.
Yeah, they are telling everything very clearly, whatever we are getting doubts, no? So they are telling us very clearly. Yeah,
Okay. And would you recommend the company to someone else?
yeah, sure. Because if we are satisfied, sure we will refer. Because he is also having 2 friends in our hotel only. So
What is
let's
it?
see if
Mama.
everything is good. Then sure we will even.
Mama,
They are also
it is-
interested to of their colleagues. So.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Hi, we are with Mr. MK Suresh. He is one of our happy and satisfied customers from Dreams Nama. So let's find out his experience. Hello, sir.
ಹಲೋ
Sir, when did you book your flat?
ನಾನು 2014ನೇ ಜನವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು HSR ಲೇಔಟು ಅಂತ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಆದರೆ HSR ಲೇಔಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕರೆದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಮಾದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
Okay. And what was your dream behind booking a flat?
ಏನೋ ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಆಸೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Okay. And are you happy with the construction quality of your flat?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay. Sir, what would you like to say about the company Dreams?
ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
And how would you like to describe your journey with Dreams since the start till today?
ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕೆಲವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2014 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವರೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೃಹ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಹೋಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಊಟ ಹಾಕಿಸಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ.
And on a scale of 1 to 5, what would you like to rate the company?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿನ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay. Sir, also compared to the market prices, how do you think the price of that the company offers is different?
ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲಿ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ 22 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ 24 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬೀಳ್ತು. ಈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೇಟು 45 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, we are with Mr. Ganesh. He is a customer of Dreams Sneha. His project is under construction. So let's find out his experience with the company so far. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
When did you book your flat?
I booked the flat in month of October 2014.
Okay. And what was your dream behind booking a flat?
Actually, I was very long way searching the good house in the Bangalore. Actually, my motto is nearby my workplace only. Then I find this Dreams, whatever they are offering the flat, that price also very less. Then I decided, okay, well, once we visit what is exactly these people are giving the flat, all this thing. Then I visited to Dreams office and I contacted all sales people. They told details about the full project, and then I requested to know, I want to go and see the location of the flat. It is suitable for me or not. Then they are taken to project site I seen that location also very good because nearby all are this IT park also there, and it is very near for my workplace also. Then I told okay. Then they told okay sir, suppose as per your suitable what dimension required, will then again we come back to office. We seen whatever price they offered. I told we are middle class family, we can't afford so much price this one. Then they have did something and they have given the best price to me, and as per that I booked the flat.
Okay. And how would you like to describe your experience with the customer service executives?
The customer service executive very good because I have many times contacted to sales people also and CRM also, because some documentations initially I made to sales people. And they told okay, this is already your all process already we did, now all this detail will provide a CRM. Then I contacted CRM also very good. They are every means 15 days they are sending the project status on my registered mail ID.
Okay, wow.
I'm getting any problem again I am calling madam this you have sent it, but exactly I want this photograph all the send they are forwarding to me.
Okay, so you're being updated about the progress of your
Yeah, every
project.
15 days in a month 2 times I'm visiting my project.
Okay, so are you happy and satisfied with the process of your flat?
Yeah ma'am, actually I seen my project construction quality also good, because nearby my house whatever builder are construction I seen their quality also. Still I am also surprised this less price I am getting good quality of project flat to me.
So you're happy with the price and the quality?
Yeah, good. Today more maybe I am getting approximately 15 to 20 lakhs rupees.
Okay. So sir, on a scale of 1 to 5, based on your experience so far, how much would you like to rate our company?
Okay, I want to give 5. No problem, but I want some improvement from your side also.
Okay. So what would you like to suggest?
I can suggest like that this project, this construction quality also very good, and compared to other builders, this project, whatever the dreams, any project, any place they are offering, it is very cheap price only compared to other builders, and any medium class people can be offered.
Okay.
That.
And sir, would you recommend our company to anyone outside?
Okay ma'am, we can refer it because whatever I seen this contacted with, between your offices people and between whatever relationship, it is good only. We can suggest to people okay, you want to buy the flat, you can go for them.
And
it will get at a good price to you.
oh, okay. And sir, if there's a new buyer, what would you like to tell him about the company or their experience, your experience with the company?
Actually, as per my perfections, I will tell suppose you want to go to buy the flat, first I will tell you search it, where is the good price you will get it, and you go for all documents, all this thing. In that you will find your dreams will be offering all related, all documents, it is pakka, all this thing it is getting good, you go prepare for this.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you ma'am.
हाय, दिस इज मिस्टर संजय। ये हमारे ड्रीम स्नेहा के कस्टमर हैं और इनका फ्लैट अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है, तो आइए इनसे इनके एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में जानते हैं। हेलो सर।
हेलो।
आपने अपना फ्लैट कब बुक किया था?
मैं लास्ट ईयर अराउंड 14 में एंडिंग बुक किया था।
ओके, और आपका फ्लैट बुक करने के पीछे क्या सपना था?
एक्चुअली बैंगलोर में मैं बाहर से हूँ, बैंगलोर में मैं अपने खुद के लिए अपना खुद का हाउस देख रहा था, तो एक्चुअली बहुत घुमा मैं इधर उधर, बहुत से फ्लैट बहुत से बिल्डर से घूमा, लेकिन मेरा जो बजट था बजट के ऊपर जा रहा था, तो मैं छोड़ दिया था एक बार। ऐसे ऐड देखा मैं पेपर में ड्रीम्स के बारे में, यहाँ आके पूछा, तो जो प्राइस मुझे ऑफर किया वो प्राइस में मैं सरप्राइज हो गया। मैं दो तीन बार पूछा, यार आप सही में इसमें दे रहे हैं क्या? बोले सर आप एक बार बुक तो कर लीजिए, देखेंगे। फिर उसी वक्त उन्होंने मुझे साइट पे लेके गया। वो साइट जो था मेरे वर्क प्लेस से भी पास में था और मेरे चिल्ड्रंस के स्कूल से भी पास में था।
ओके।
ये मेन मेरा ये था। उसके बाद में उसी दिन सेम डे मैं आके यहाँ पे फ्लैट बुक कर
दिया। ओके, तो सर आपका अब तक का जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कस्टमर सर्विस एजेंट्स के साथ या यहाँ के एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ, वो कैसा था?
देखिए, जिस दिन मैं सेल्स में आया, सेल्स पर्सन से मिला, उसी दिन मेरे को लगा कि ड्रीम्स कुछ अलग है। उसी दिन मैं उनके साथ अच्छे से बातचीत किया, फिर उन्होंने मेरे को पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स उसी दिन दे दिए या 2-3 दिन के अंदर, और फिर उन्होंने मुझे CRM का नंबर दिया। CRM जो भी आपकी CRM है, वो एवरी 15 डेज़ में मुझे जो भी अपडेट चाहिए था वो बाय मेल मुझे भेज देता
Okay.
या मैं कॉल करके मैं पूछ लेता था क्योंकि अभी मेरा लोन भी कंप्लीट हो चुका है, मेरा प्रोसेस भी चल रहा है। एक्चुअली बेसिकली मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ, तो व्हाट कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी है और क्वालिटी के बारे में मैं जानता हूँ। कोई भी जैसे रॉड लगा रहे हैं, आप सीमेंट लगा रहे हैं, उसके बारे में पूरा मैं डिटेल्स मुझे पता है। तो एवरी 10 दिन में 8 दिन में मैं जाके अपना साइट का ये भी देख के आता हूँ।
तो आप अपनी कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी के साथ सेटिस्फाइड है?
पूरी तरह से हैप्पी हूँ।
अच्छा, तो सर आप हमारी कंपनी को किसी को रेकमेंड करोगे?
हाँ जी, एक्चुअली मैं बुकिंग करते टाइम अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बुक किया है, वो भी अभी तक वो आया है। तो और भी कोई अगर मेरा फ्रेंड अगर बुक करना चाहे तो मैं ज़रूर उनको बताऊंगा कि आप ड्रीम्स में जाके बुक कीजिए।
ओके, और जब कोई न्यू बायर हमारे पास आता है तो आप उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कंपनी के बारे में?
ड्रीम्स इज़ वेरी गुड। ड्रीम्स में आप अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करने से बहुत अच्छा है। आपको इतने लो क्वालिटी में लो अमाउंट में कहाँ पे इतना बेंगलोर के अंदर मिलेगा, तो मैं तो उनको रिकमेंड करने का सोचूंगा।
तो ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 5 आप हमारी कंपनी को क्या रेटिंग देंगे?
अराउंड 5।
5? Thank you, sir. Hi, we have another happy customer with us. So let us find out more about him. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
What would you like to say about yourself and your project?
I am Ravichandra Rao. I come down from Mumbai. My in-laws and all are staying at Bangalore. In December 2013, I come down to Bangalore in my in-laws now, and in there I had seen the ad, Dreams ad, and so we were searching for some property is to be made here, and for the future coming back to Bangalore, we were searching for the house, and we had come down where we met your salesperson, Mr. Raj was there. Then he had shown me all the things, but what all things was there? Ki initial booking amount they were asking 1 lakh.
Okay.
With that one only, they told okay, the 1 day offer only is there. After
Okay.
that one, the rates will be increased and all. So on the same time itself, within a day, we had seen the site and the Shusta pit. We had booked this one, and the
Okay.
duration they had given within 24 months it will be completed and all. And whatever 30% payment is to be made, that we already made it.
Okay.
Now the second slab is going on. Now today I had come down from Mumbai only, just officially I had come down. Then I had visited to your Dreams office for making the first slab payment.
Oh, and sir, are you happy with the construction quality and the price of your flat?
Yeah, that one I am already satisfied, because at the time of booking itself, Dreams Infra had shown me the fully ready flats and all, the quality of material and all. And with that one only, what all amenities they are mentioning in the vouchers and all, that all they are complying it all. And for the kitchen facility and all, what all things is to be done, that as per our requirement we can go for that. That all things are there.
Okay.
But that is very much surprising that they are providing all the amenities with such a low cost of this one. That's the only great thing you can tell about the Green. That we had searched in India, in Bombay itself, we had gone for 1 BHK for 450 square feet something. It's costing huge, 31 lakh, 35 lakhs is the minimum. That's in my organization itself, I am suggesting so many colleagues and all, okay, instead of Mumbai, you take down to Bangalore. The rates are very much huge areas you will be getting, and very nice constructions and properties are there.
So you would recommend our company to your colleagues in Bangalore as well?
In Bangalore also, because my relatives are there, my in-laws, they had already inquired and they are also trying for booking
Okay.
in your Dreams project.
Okay. And sir, what would you like to say to a new buyer who is interested in buying a Dreams property?
It's very good to take the property from Dreams Infra, as they have already executed some nearly 35 to 40 projects and in Bangalore itself, and they already have a very good construction quality and all. I'll suggest the people in Bangalore to go for Dreams project.
So are you happy and satisfied with the progress of your project so far?
Only it is unfortunate that my project is being delayed just because of some legal issues were there. Therefore, nearly 1 month delay was there. Now the construction is going on, and they promised me within a year they will be completing it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, we have a happy customer with us. So come let's find out more about it. Sir, आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मैं एक्स जूनियर कमिश्नर इंश्योर पैराशूट रेजिमेंट से हूँ. मेरा नाम जयवीर सिंह है. हम फ्रॉम हरियाणा, दिल्ली. मैंने आपके ड्रीम जी के श्लोका 1 में 2 फ्लैट बुक किए हैं. एक मेरा ब्रोकर है, एक मेरा. और मुझे CRM से बड़ा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है. और मुझे अच्छा एरिया होने की वजह से मैंने श्लोका 1 में बुक किया है.
सर, आपको हमारी कंपनी के बारे में कैसे पता चला?
मैंने आपकी कंपनी के बारे में पेपर में पढ़ा था. पेपर में पढ़ के बाकी कंपनियों की बनिस्पत आपका रेट है, जो फ्लैट रेट है उसका 50% है. मेरा बजट आर्मी पर्सन होने की वजह से मेरा बजट आपकी कंपनी से मैच करता है. अब मैं रिटायर हूँ, मैं आपकी कंपनी से फ्लैट लेना चाहता हूँ.
अच्छा, तो सर आप अब तक आपकी फ्लैट का जो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है उसके बारे में आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है? सारा कुछ
मिलता है, बताते हैं. अभी उसके बारे में कभी बनने वाला है, स्टार्ट होने वाला है. और उसका क्या परमिशन, उसकी बिल्डिंग परमिशन आ चुकी है. तो अभी देखते हैं, थोड़ा जल्दी मिल जाए तो बेटर है.
तो सर आप अब तक की अपनी जर्नी ड्रीम्स के साथ उस बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
वेरी गुड. ऑल इंडिया के अंदर ऐसा कंपनी नहीं है जैसे ड्रीम जी के, क्योंकि फ्लैट्स ऑलरेडी कहीं भी ले लो, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, गुड़गांव या नोएडा, तो इतने कम रेट में फ्लैट्स नहीं मिलते जो ड्रीम जी के दे दिए.
तो आप अपने प्राइस से सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
मैं अपने प्राइस से बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ. बस इतना ही है, थोड़ा जल्दी दीजिए.
सर, ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 5 आप हमारी कंपनी को क्या रेटिंग देना चाहेंगे?
आपकी कंपनी का प्राइस को देख करके मैं आपको नंबर 5 देना चाहता हूँ.
Number 5. Thank you, sir. Hi, this is Mr. and Mrs. Raja Deepak Singh. They have booked in a pre-launch offer in Dreams Loka, and let's find out more from them. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. When did you book your flat?
About 1.5 years back.
Okay. And what was your journey with the company so far?
See, actually, by advertisement in the papers, we have come here and we have visited the spot also, and we liked it. And it is in particularly in HSR layout. It is a good layout, what we thought it. So still, it is the progress is not there. It's a construction to be started. That's all.
Okay. And how did you get to know about the company?
I told you, no, it is in ad we have seen that.
Okay.
Then we have gone to, we have seen the actually site area also. We liked it. That's what we like.
Okay. Are you happy with the customer service provided to you at the company?
Yes, till now it is good. We are going with the company, so it is good.
Okay. And are you happy with the pricing of your flat?
Yes, particularly what they explained to me is because I have paid 100% full amount I have paid. But the thing is, first our amount only they are investing, so that the construction cost will be less.
Okay.
That is the reason the construction cost is less compared to other projects of other developers. For that purpose, we have come to this. Okay.
And would you refer our company to someone else?
Yes, I have referred for 2-3 customers. One of my, actually I am a retired government servant. I invested this my beneficiary of pension amount here, and I have told my colleagues also. They have also come.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, how much would you like to rate our company?
Around 4.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, today we are here with one of our happy customers of Dreams Ekdant. Let's hear his experience. How does he feel after booking a flat here? Hello sir, आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा नाम है आनंद नायडू.
आपने यहाँ पे फ्लैट कब बुक किया?
मैं 2015 में 2015 में बुक किया है यह फ्लैट. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है एक दंत. मैंने पेपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में देखा, मुझे अच्छा लगा और यहाँ बुक किया. और यहाँ के स्टाफ जितने भी हैं हमको अच्छा कोऑपरेशन देते हैं और हमको पूरा भरोसा दिलाते हैं. और मुझे पूरा इनके ऊपर ट्रस्ट है, विश्वास है इसलिए बुक किया।
बुक करने के पीछे आपका क्या उद्देश्य था, आपका क्या ड्रीम था?
या दूसरों लोगों से भी मैंने राय लिया है, या रेट्स वगैरह बाकी कंट्रैक्टर से भी यहाँ हमको कम चीप लगता है और कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी भी अच्छा है, इसके लिए मैं यहाँ बुक किया।
आप लकी हो सर, इतने अच्छे रेट पे आपको अच्छा फ्लैट मिल गया।
जी।
तो क्या आप खुश हैं फ्लैट बुक करने के बाद, और लोकेशन ऑफ द फ्लैट और पूरी जो आपको सर्विस मिल रही है ड्रीम्स की तरफ से?
ड्रीम की तरफ से जो भी हमको हेल्पफुल मिल रहा है, सर्विस मिल रहा है, और उनसे हमको अच्छा कॉपरेशन मिल रहा है, इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और इसी तरह सभी को और जल्दी से जल्दी काम होना चाहिए, ये हमारा इरादा है।
श्योर श्योर। एक बात बताइए, आपको सबसे अच्छी चीज ड्रीम्स के बारे में क्या लगती है?
यहाँ के स्टाफ जितने भी है हमको बहुत कॉपरेशन देता है, ये हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जब भी मैं यहाँ आता हूँ तो इन्होंने हमको अच्छे तरह से राय देते हैं, हमारा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करता है, और जो भी है फेथफुली हमको अच्छा तरह से इंस्ट्रक्शन देके हमको आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
बढ़िया। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछना चाहूंगी, आप 5 में से कितना रेट करोगे हमारे कंपनी को?
देखिए, अभी तक हमको पोजीशन तो नहीं मिला है, कंस्ट्रक्शन अंडर प्री कंस्ट्रक्शन है, तो रेट देने में हम अभी इतना बोल नहीं सकते हैं।
जितनी सर्विस आज तक आपको मिली है ड्रीम्स की तरफ से, उतने में ही सर आप बताइए 5 में से कितना देना चाहेंगे?
अभी 3 देना चाहता हूँ।
ओके श्योर। मैं पूरी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि जैसे जैसे काम आगे बढ़ेगा और आपको पोजीशन मिलेगा, 5 में से कम 4 तो आप जरूर देंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि आपको आपका फ्लैट, ड्रीम फ्लैट मिल चुका है। थैंक यू सो मच। Here we have a happy customer with us who has not just booked 1 flat but 2 flats, one in Dreams Shloka and the other one in Dreams Sampurna. So let's hear his experience. Hello sir, what's your good name?
Subramanian Acharya.
So how do you feel of booking 2 flats in our company Dreams?
First I booked in 2013 Shloka. So there was some little delay in that. So I came here and inquired. They said another project is ready, it is going on, work is going on. So I tempted to purchase another one in Sampurna.
Great. It's nice to know that you are happy with booking 2 flats in our company.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me one thing. What was your dream behind booking the flat in our company?
I came to Bangalore just in 2007. After transfer, I came only to Bangalore. So it is my last leg of my service. I retired here. So I wanted to have a residence for our own purpose. So I have been searching for these details. I used to see the newspaper ads, classic days. I heard about Dreams, so many things. And finally, with one newspaper, I came here. Newspaper ad, I came here. They said Shloka, it is in HS of Level. It's a very good location, so I purchased it.
I'm glad that you got your dream house finally after searching in a lot of advertisements and newspapers.
Yes.
So tell me one thing, are you happy with the quality of construction which is being done in your project?
Yes, yes. Even my colleagues question me, it is so cheap, how can you believe that the construction will be so good? It is a genuine question, anybody can get that question. So I went personally to other flats of Dreams, particularly in this one, Tobacco Junction.
Okay.
Coffee boat.
Acha.
There I have seen the construction also, it was good. It was almost, it was finished. It's a modern flat they showed me. Then again subsequently I went to Sampurna also, in electronics. I waited there for 1.5 hours. Construction is going on. So I am not an expert of course. I'm not an expert in that field, but I found the construction is good, not inferior to any other constructions.
Actually, this is an offer which we give to our customers like you know, good rate with a good quality of construction, and which is really rare to see any other place.
Yes.
Yeah, so tell me one thing.
One thing I want to tell, if anybody thinks that it is cheap, so construction quality will be less. I don't agree with it.
Exactly.
Is the building, whatever quantity of cement you have to put, whatever steels you have to put, you have to keep it. And that standard should be maintained. It's not that it is 30 lakhs, it should be, cement should be so much only. If it is 1 crore, cement should be more. It is not like that.
You're right. At Dreams, we never compromise with the quality, whichever offer of rate we give. So tell me one thing, sir. Tell me one thing. What would you like to suggest to other customers who are willing to buy a new flat in Bengaluru?
Yes, it is, I feel it is very comfortable for the middle class families, not rich or politicians like that. It is very reasonable prices. They can go for these flats. The only thing is they should have some element of patience.
Yeah.
Without that patience, these pre-launch projects will not give anything. You have to wait.
So finally, tell me, how much would you like to rate out of 5 to our company?
I want to rate it at 4.
Superb. It's a good score, and thank you so much for talking with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here we have another happy customer of Dreams Siddhi 2 to share his experience with us. Hello sir.
Hi.
What's your good name?
Yeah, my good name Prabhat Patnaik. I just booked one flat in City 2 in Electronic City in Phase 2. So why I booked means I got suggestions from my friends and colleagues. I go there and I reach that location. The location wise it's like very nice place because there are like lot of apartments which going on. Yeah. But that one is very nearer to if you come to your IT company, you may be say Infosys, and this is near to again Wipro, again backside is SCL, and if you find out nearly 900 meters if you compare not exactly 1 kilometer to your national highway. Yeah, that is the thing, and you can reach by the village. Otherwise, direct to also partition to the your police station and Electronic City police station that way. This is very near.
It's a great location.
Great location, yeah. Everywhere. So yeah, with that price, because I am booking in the pre-launch, that's with that price in the Bangalore, it's very difficult to construct. Otherwise, you can purchase also. So that's why I think it's price wise and the location wise, it's good. So that's why I booked that flat.
So can we say that it is your dream flat and you have got your dream flat with us?
Yeah, one can say right now. It's okay, dreams only, because the rate is less. That's why first go and check with that another project is there beside to that City 1 is there. This I think already nearly constructed. Maybe they will assignment is they will happen. Okay.
So can I ask you one thing? Are you happy with the service Dreams is providing you and the team which is giving responses to your needs?
As of now, that what are that employee, they are very cooperative, and that I am satisfied with that. And still now, how the thing is happening, they all are cooperative. When I am coming to office and what are the things we need, they giving very collectively and very supportive. So that's why it's okay. Okay with
what
that.
What would you like to suggest our new buyers who want to buy a flat in Bengaluru?
Yeah, for that if you coming, you have first patience. It's not like that suddenly you will get patience is one thing, and the thing is that very cheap you can get, and the construction is also good quality, and that location is whatever I'm getting, we are also good. That's why you can purchase with that price. You can get a better opportunity, like middle class family, you can say.
Did you compare the prices of other builders which are offering
Obviously.
and this price which you got?
Yeah. I already compare with other builders. I already check. If you take other builders, it's a little bit higher.
So
yeah.
Do you feel you have got your best rate?
Yeah, because I think best, because I am going for the pre-launcher, right? I think it's better for me. That's why price is good.
So what is the most important thing which you like about our company?
The company is all things are good, like supportive employee, all the things. I need what they are like providing, that quality. Right now is construction is everything good. I want to same thing they will keep up, and that how they are like the assigning that buildings right to the like customers. So that is like proactive. It should be little bit faster. They are doing properly. Okay, I'm not telling they are not doing. They are properly in a faster way. They make it again proactive. Again, that customers will. If you see, if these things is better right now in Bangalore, than number one building, number one builders, they will achieve in the market. They are giving each and everything perfectly and very less price.
Great. Finally, I would like to know how much would you rate out of 5 to Dreams?
Yeah, I can say 4. 4 is.
Oh, superb. That's a lovely score. So what are you waiting for? Even you should come and book a flat with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
We are with a happy customer of Dreams, Samhita. Let's hear his experience about it. Hello, sir. What's your good name?
Hello, my name is Sanjay Kumbhare. I am from Nagpur. Yeah.
When did you book your flat with us?
In February 2012.
Great. How is your experience till now?
So it's great experience. Actually, in 2012, I was planning to buy a home for my entire family. I'm having 2 sons. So I was planning to buy a home so that even after the marriage of my sons, we all together accommodate in one home, isn't it? But that time I was not financially sufficient. So I came to know through newspaper, and I gone through the these offers and all those things. Then I contacted. That time I think office was in BTM layout, isn't it? So I went over there. They convinced me, and that time I booked a flat.
So tell me one thing, sir. Are you happy with the quality of service you are getting from Dreams?
Sir, actually I have brought more than 20 customers for your company.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, till now. So in different projects, I am recently from other cities also I have brought customers for your company.
This shows how happy he is with us, and I'm sure all other customers who he has bought to us will also be happy. Sir, tell us one thing. What do you like the most about our company, Dreams?
Actually, I think it is a company for a common person, common people, who working people, especially because always working people are a lack of finance always, isn't it? So it's better if you book a flat or home in Dreams, isn't it?
What would you like to suggest our new customers who are willing to purchase a flat in Bengaluru?
1, 2, 3 things I would like to.
Sure.
If you have patience, isn't it? And if you are dreaming of a spacious home in Bangalore, isn't it? And your pocket is lack of money, is in finance, then definitely you should opt for Dreams projects. Because I said patience means, see, if you want to purchase 3 BHK in Bangalore, so at least you should have more than 60 lakhs rupees in your packet, isn't it?
Definitely.
But if you opt for this, what you can say, pre-launch, isn't it? Means offers, isn't it? There are so many offers, 25%, 50%, and you can fulfill your dreams. Means after, if you save money, 60 lakhs, say 60 lakhs after 5 years, but you are owning a house at present only, isn't it? Because you will get each and everything. You will be free from all worries and all those things.
So can I say that you have got your dream house with us?
Certainly.
Great.
Certainly.
Finally, tell me, how much would you like to rate out of 5 to our company?
Since I am very much fond of this company, so definitely I will rate 5 out of 5.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely. That's the best score we can get.
yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Mr. Anshuman. He is one of our happy customers from Dreams Sampurna. So let us find out about his experience. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, when did you book your flat?
I booked the flat in last year, March 2015.
Okay. So, sir, how did you get to know about our company?
This is through the papers and some of my friends who already booked the flat here. Through them I came to know.
So, sir, how has your experience been so far with the company?
It is really good. The price is also very nice, going good. You know, the everything what is being followed in MAO, we are doing that. You know, I'm happy with that.
Okay. And sir, compared to the market prices, how different do you think are the prices of our company?
The prices I can just compare and see it is more than 50% down. So we all are happy with that.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, this is the Kushwa family. They are one of our happy and satisfied customers from the Siddhi project. So let's find out about their experiences. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
When did you book your flat?
I have booked my flat 2 years back in April 2014.
Okay. And what was your dream behind booking your own flat?
Actually, I was interested to have my own home because now I am working, I have a family, I want to live happily. Ugly, I have my commitments and all. I cannot rely on my parents for all the times. So that's why I thought I should have a own phone, okay, own home, and that's why I was searching for a home where that can fulfill my dreams and where I can stay happily. So I was searching. When I searched, then I searched about the Dreams Infra. When I heard about this, I thought I'll look at the different sites and all. When I visited different sites, then I found this is where I can fulfill my dream.
So you found us on internet?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, what would you like to say about the construction quality of your flat?
Construction quality is like good, 100%. Whatever they have promised on the project, whatever they have mentioned, everything is going on according to that only. Okay. So whatever wood, concrete and all, whatever they are using for the flat and all, it's excellent.
Okay. So, sir, what would you like to say about the customer service provided to you?
Customer service in the past 2 years, what I have received was good. I have never been dissatisfied. Okay, whenever I want to meet, CRMs keep on changing here and there, but whomever I have interacted, they all were good. Okay, they speak nicely, they handle you very well. Okay, whatever you want, whom you want to meet, they will take you there. They will resolve your queries. Even though if they are not able to resolve your queries, okay, they will keep in touch with you. They will not make you dissatisfied. They will not leave you just like that.
Okay. So, sir, what would you like to say about the company Dreams?
It's a good company in terms of for middle class families and all those who cannot buy higher flats and all. Like if we look at the Bangalore, maximum flat cost will cost around 40 lakh, 60 lakh, 70 lakh. Okay, if they want to go for flats 2 BHK or something. Okay, so for middle class family, it's a nice company. You can go for that. Even though you may see here and there in the delay, it could be because of anything, because of constructions, because of government delays or something, anything. Okay, it's nothing like company is bad or what, they don't want to give you the project. Even though if it will get delayed 1 year or something, you will get your flat. Whatever your dream, you can fulfill it.
Okay. So, sir, that means you're happy and satisfied to be a part of the Dreams family?
Yeah, I am completely happy.
And if I ask you to rate us on a scale of excellent, average and good, what rating would you give us?
I'll go with, as of now, average. But once I get the flat and all, as they promised in 3-4, I'll definitely say it's an excellent.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Awesome.
Just like the Kushwa family here, every family in Bangalore wants to own their own home and move out of their rented place. So it is our dream here at Dreams to give you your own place. Hello, this is Mr. Satyanarayana. So let us know more about him. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Tell us more about yourself.
This is Satyanarayana. I am staying in Bangalore for more than 12 years in here. So I am working as a software testing manager in one of the MNC company in Bangalore. So for almost 12 years I am staying in Bangalore. Yeah.
Okay. And where have you booked your project?
I booked in Sampurna, which is located near to Electronic City.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, when did you book this project?
I booked last year, like I think during Diwali time. That was pre-launch offer. So they were given like offer prices, like almost 50% offer prices.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So comparatively, market price, like I found it was very much cheap. So I booked the flat. Not only me, like even I referred almost my relatives, friends. So more than 10 members they have booked. So many of them they already booked 100% payment option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, super. So sir, how would you like to describe your journey with Dreams so far?
So far, when I started with Dreams, so I saw the locality of the Electronic City, so where they are starting the Sampurna project. So it is very close to major IT companies. I found it is very nearby, just walkable distance. So that's the reason I choose that area. So when I started, it is kind of land level. Now, like many times, so since I am staying also Chandapura, many times I tries to visit the construction phase.
Okay.
Every month or twice in a month, like I used to visit the flat. So now I think now within a year, so I think now they are constructing in third stage now.
Oh,
third floor.
just a year.
Just a year, yeah.
Okay.
The construction level also, I used to watch from the ground level. The construction quality was very awesome actually. It was not like, I'm not like, even my relatives also, they used to come and they used to saw the flat. Whenever they come by my residence, we all used to go to visit the flat.
Okay.
The quality of the construction, it was very good actually.
So you're happy with the
I am very much happy actually.
Okay. And sir, compared to the market rates,
Yeah.
How different do you think is the price that Dreams is offering?
It was like comparatively market level. Now also, like minimum 50 to 60% it is less comparatively with market. So current market with other with other builders and all, with the Dreams infra is like almost 50 to 60% is always there in the lower rate only, like, but the quality of the construction is awesome, like it's very good.
So the quality is not compromised?
Quality is not compromising actually.
Okay. And sir, what would you like to say about the company Dreams?
Company, like even like before buying, many people just they refer the Google and all. Even I also try, they have like positive and negatives. But many people also they told me, but even I thought, okay, just let me, I also verified a few of the completed projects. One I think I verified it in Silkboard. I also referred few of my friends like who are staying in Silkboard. So they also referred me like every project, not only Dreams, they have positive negatives. But look at the quality and look at the price, and just I selected the Dreams, the Sampurna project. I am very much happy.
Okay. So sir, if I ask you to rate our company on 3 scales, that is excellent, good and average, what rating would you give us?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So we
I'm
have
very
a
much
happy customer right here.
Yeah, very much happy.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mr. and Mrs. Banerjee. They own a house in an under construction property, Dreams Sneh. So let's find out about their experience. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
When did you book your flat?
I booked it in 2014.
Okay. And what was your dream behind booking your own flat?
In Bangalore, one of the major things when I came in, it's about the house rent that we pay each month. It costs around 20,000 plus. So that's the first thing I came in to my mind to buy a new flat, and I searched for a lot of builders, and later I got settled. Okay, and I need to mention this name, Surya Singh, who introduced me to this project. I'm really happy the way he introduced me, and he helped me to make choice of the project. So that's one of the inspiration definitely, and everybody wants to own their new home, so that's a point behind booking a new flat. Yeah.
So how would you like to describe your journey with Dreams so far?
It has been excellent journey so far. I got a lot of support, I can tell you, in terms of payments, down payments that I did. I actually did a lot of payment in the beginning, and later due to lack of fund I got some delay, and then during that period definitely Dream supported me to help me during that period, and accepted my delay in payment. And also home loan, it was really, I was one of the few customers who got the loan first in this project. So really happy the way it went, and my 2 disbursals are already done, and I'm just waiting to get my flat in hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how would you like to judge your construction quality of the flat?
Definitely one of the best constructions, I will tell you. I've seen Home 2 and a lot of other projects in Dreams, and I compared that with multiple builders across Bangalore city, right? One of my friends, they bought flat with 80 lakhs, but I see there are a lot of cracks in the building. And the pillar strength, I have seen this construction when it was in the initial stages. It's really awesome, and the number of pillars that's been given in one single block, it's awesome. And the strength is definitely going to be good, and it is going to have a longevity.
Okay, and how is your relation with the company?
It has been definitely good with the Dreams so far, okay, and I really want to thank the initiative that Dreams is taking to make so many customers' life happy, bringing joys through getting their first flat or maybe their dream home. And I met personally Sachin sir, and I'm really impressed with the way, the mindset he has to fulfill the needs of the customers. I think that is amazing. And I know people are jealousy. The other builders are definitely jealousy because getting the flats in such a cheaper price, it definitely adds a lot of competition to the market. Seeing the Bangalore standards and making in-house production of multiple items, that definitely helps Dreams to reduce the cost drastically, and that's a good thing for builder as well as customers.
Okay, so sir, if I ask you to rate our company on 3 scales, that is excellent, good and average, what rating would you give us?
I would definitely say excellent. The reason being the construction quality has been amazing. I've seen the finished products, Home 2, and one more near Wipro, I don't remember the name, but the overall finished product is awesome. So I'm just waiting to receive that finished product from Dreams, okay, and I'm hopeful it will happen this year.
Okay,
Yeah.
so yet again we have another set of happy customers with us. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Mr. Shiva. He is one of our happy customers from the under construction Dreams Sneh project. So let us find out more from him. Hello sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, when did you book your flat?
1.5 years back. It's the 2014 ending actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's close to 2015. Yes.
Okay. So sir, what was your dream behind booking a flat?
Behind that, so I would be getting a flat, a good quality and a good area. So that's what actually I'm expecting.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll get that, sir.
Yeah.
Also, I want to know how did you get to know about the company?
So through paper, orally, so my colleague has told actually. So basing on that, I come here and I book the flat.
Okay. And how would you like to describe your journey with Dreams so far?
Dreams, like okay, it's good. Okay, quality also is good. Okay, and response is also good. Now I'm getting. So finally, it's good really.
Okay. So how would you like to describe your interactions with the customer relations?
Interaction, yeah, it's good really. They are giving the information and they are connecting whenever we require, and they will be okay. So communicating and the coordination is very very freely, so that we can get the information as per the things actually. So the progress also we are getting very clearly with the snaps and all.
Okay.
So that is good really. Yeah.
So sir, compared to the market rates, how would you like to rate our prices?
Okay. So compared to the yes, 30 to 40% we can expect a minimum price. So with the good quality.
With good quality.
Yes.
So you're happy and satisfied with your construction quality?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So sir, if I ask you to rate our company based on excellent, good and average, what rating would you give us?
Right now, see, I can give good. Okay, because the construction is also good. So once I get into that, then yes, I can give the rating as excellent.
Okay.
So that's the thing, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi. We are sitting with Mr. Naveen Prem and his family, and they are one of the happy customers who have just taken a flat in the Dreams family. So tell us, when did you book your flat?
Today.
Today? Okay. And how did you get to know about Dreams?
ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದರು, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು.
Okay. And how was your experience with the customer service people in Dreams?
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 BHK ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Okay. Okay. And what do you think about the price of your flat?
ಗುಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
So did you get your flat at a good rate?
ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ರೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, this is Mr. Abhishek. He's a very happy customer from our under construction project Dreams Near. So let's find out about his experience. Hello, sir.
Hello.
When did you book your flat?
I booked in July 2014.
Okay. And how did you get to know about our company?
Yeah, when I came to Bangalore, I was start searching flats from 2012 onwards. So while using internet only, I found about this company and then joined this.
Okay. And are you happy with the progress of your project so far?
Yeah, I'm kind of happy because the deadline what they have given, they are kind of going with the same pace only. So I'm happy.
And sir, do you have a continuous customer relation support from our end?
It was missing in beginning, but I think putting some effort now, at least from last 6 months, we are getting continuously update and things are in better shape now.
Okay. So how would you like to describe your journey with Dreams so far?
I would start with the same that when I came to Bangalore, I start hunting for a home here, and the kind of price the Dreams offer, it was very difficult to get into this kind of Bangalore city. So I will say it's kind of, if I get a flat on time, then definitely this company name comes true in my life.
Would you recommend our company to someone else?
Definitely, I would say that those guys who are looking flat in the affordable rate and they want to see the dream, staying in their own house in the budget of what Dream offers, I will definitely recommend.
Okay. And sir, are you happy with the quality of work in your flat and the timely updates that you're getting on your?
Yeah, regarding the quality, right now is this under construction project. So whatever they have done, I'm kind of happy with that, and hopefully they will keep the same quality when I get the flat also.
Okay. So sir, if you have to rate our company in 3 scales, that is excellent, good and average, what rating would you give our company?
Don't be so harsh. I will just might be like to rate as a good
Okay.
at present, and definitely I won't say it's a good. It's maybe the better than good, but definitely I won't want to rate excellent till I get my flat.
Thank you, sir. Hi, we have a very happy pre-launch customer with us. So let us find out more about him. Sir, tell us about yourself.
Myself Ashutosh Sharma. I booked a flat in Ekdam. It is located in Sarjapur, and it's a very nice location, Lakeview and all. So I heard all this about this project and all with my friends, and they are satisfied. So after that, going on the same path, I also followed and I came here.
Okay. So sir, when you booked a flat with us, do you see any price differences with the market price, with the existing market price? And if yes, how different is the price?
Actually, initially I did the investigation of here. Lots of builders are here. I did the investigation and tried to find out what differentiate actually Dreams from the other builders. So right now I just started my career and I am just one of like 1.6 year only. But in this situation I would not afford, but my dream was to take my own house. Like when I came to know about the Dreams is offering such a suitable price for us, like for the beginners and all, so I opt for that, and not as for the price also, but for the other construction qualities also. I saw the model flat and all, it was really nice, so that's why.
Okay. So sir, would you like to recommend our company to your colleagues?
Sure, definitely. I does also. One of my friend Jackson Saralock, like I told him, he came here, and Manish, one of the executive here, he saw that flat, and Prabhat sir and Neha communicated with him, and he satisfied, and he already booked 3 BHK in your project in Marathon.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, and my 2 friend is more. He's also coming. One of his name is Anurag Arora, and the second one is Deepak. He's also in the process to book the flat in England.
Okay. So sir, why did you choose the pre-launch offer?
Pre-launch As far as my state, waiting for the project, as much right now I'm not in a hurry to get, but in a pre-launch I am getting pretty much nice price for me. So if I could wait for a 1 or 2 years, then I could have a flat that is easily easily compete with the flat that is the nearby 50 to 60 lakh that I am getting in the very much low, and after waiting for 2 years I can get I can compete with the 50 lakhs flat over there.
Okay. So sir, if you are asked to rate our company based on 3 factors, excellent, average and good, what would you rate our company as?
As far as the cost, costing is concerned, it is excellent, and as far as the whatever the things I have saw the model flats and all in that level, it's fine, it's very nice.
Okay, thank you sir.
Yeah, thank you.
हेलो, दिस इज़ नंदिता चैटर्जी। ये हमारे सुमधुर अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट की हैप्पी कस्टमर है। आइए इनसे जानते हैं। मैम, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है ड्रीम्स की फैमिली से जुड़कर?
ड्रीम्स की फैमिली से जुड़कर अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
मैम, आपने अपना फ्लैट कब बुक किया?
2014 जुलाई।
ओके। और आपको अब तक का सफ़र अपना अगर बताना हो ड्रीम्स के साथ, तो आप किस तरह बताएंगी?
एक्चुअली हमारे कोलीग, एक्चुअली हम एयरफोर्स से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो हमारे कोलीग किसी ने बुक करवाया था जस्ट 2-3 मंथ्स अगो हमारे बुक करा, तो उन्हीं से हमको ये खबर मिला कि मतलब बहुत कम रेट में ऐसा ड्रीम्स कुछ फ्लैट्स वो दे रहे हैं, तो उन्हीं का सुन के फिर हम लोग काफ़ी लोग एक साथ आने के बाद फिर वहाँ का देखा, सब कुछ जो लोकेशन है सब कुछ देख के फिर हमने बुक करवाया।
ओके। तो मैम, अब तक जो आपको कस्टमर सर्विस मिल रही है, आप उससे खुश हैं?
हाँ, खुश हैं।
ओके। मैम, आप हमारी कंपनी के जो प्राइसेस हैं कंपैरेटिवली मार्केट प्राइस से, डू यू सी अ चेंज?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली बहुत चीप है, इसीलिए तो बुक कर रहा है। इसीलिए तो जब काफ़ी चीप हमको मिला तभी तो हम बुक करवाएं, क्योंकि हम आपको पहले ही बताएं हम एयरफोर्स से हैं, इसीलिए हम बहुत ज़्यादा तो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, तो चीप मिला इसलिए डेफिनेटली हम इसीलिए इधर आए हैं।
एंड डू यू लाइक द क्वालिटी?
या क्वालिटी मीन्स अभी तो जस्ट अंडर प्रोग्रेस है, तो अभी जब कुछ बनेगा आगे का तब तो वैसे जो भी है जितना हमारे समझ से नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग के हिसाब से हमें अच्छा ही लगेगा।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम। So just like Mrs. Nandita Chatterjee and her family, there are a lot of families in Bangalore who want to move out of their rented home and own their home. So it is our dream here at Dreams to help these families own their dream home.